Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? Well, I'm having my afternoon walk. Today is a gorgeous day. It's not as hot. Anyway, Nicholas left a message in our Facebook group, and he was asking what can he do as a side business since he's a teacher. And some of the ideas that came to mind were things like tutoring, because when you're thinking about a side business, chances are you don't have enough time. You're available only part-time for the business of your choice, so you have to consider the time. Are you willing maybe to try to train someone else if you won't be available by yourself? So I'm assuming you will be engaged by yourself. So tutoring can be an alternative. And also think about coaching. I remember when we were younger in school, we used to go for coaching on weekends. So that can be an alternative as a teacher. Create a few flyers, tell some of the parents what you're trying to do, and maybe you can get a side business in that way. The whole point of maybe starting a side business or trying to do something else in addition to what you're already doing is creativity. Engage the creative mind, engage the skills you already have, so that you just transition versus trying to start from scratch and creating something new. If there is another skill that you have, feel free to use that too. It should be very helpful. Well, Eagles, if you have other suggestions, feel free to leave them below. This is for Nicholas. Thanks for your question. It's Mother Eagle again. Talk to you soon. Bye.